Hey friends, who's hungry? This delicious Italian bow tie pasta salad incorporates bow tie pasta and cheesy tortellini with salty olive salad, sun-dried tomatoes, pesto, and chopped walnuts. Cook 1 pound of bow tie pasta in salted water according to the package directions. About 3 minutes before the end of the cook time, add 1 19-ounce package of frozen cheese-filled tortellini and continue boiling the pasta. Then drain the pastas and set aside. In a small mixing bowl, combine half a cup of olive oil, half a cup of pesto sauce, and 1 tablespoon of red or white wine vinegar. Whisk the ingredients together until they are combined. While the pastas are still warm, transfer them to a large mixing bowl and add 1 cup of olive salad, 1 cup of chopped walnuts, and 4 drained and chopped sun-dried tomatoes in oil. Add the dressing and carefully stir the salad until the ingredients are evenly mixed and the pastas are completely coated with the dressing. Cover and chill the pasta salad for at least 2 hours, then garnish with shredded Parmesan cheese. Looking for more recipes? Be sure to follow me.